What's up, Fuel Fam? I'm here to tell you about my Fuel Up PT Test Drive. This is an amazing program, and here's what you get. A success session where you're going to meet with one of my trainers one-on-one and go over your unique goals and figure out a little bit deeper reasoning and your true motivations for wanting to improve your fitness. The next thing, you're going to come in for the Right Fuel nutritional consultation, where we're going to dissect every one of your habits when it comes to your eating habits and figure out the best plan for you as an individual. This is not some cookie cutter program. We're going to really break it down for you and make this simple. And the other two things you're going to get with this program are 2 personal training sessions, 2 45-minute personal training sessions. So all of this combined is only $99. Literally the cost of normally the cost of one PT session. You're going to get all this stuff included. So this is everything you need to be successful. The workouts are just one aspect of this. We're going to cover everything. We're going to help you literally change your habits. We're going to cover the nutrition and obviously the workouts. So all you have to do is click on the link and fill out the form. Just tell us a little bit about yourself and what you're trying to achieve, and then I'll figure out the best trainer that suits your goals and your unique needs. Woo! See you soon.